You're listening to 93.9 WQKE, Plattsburgh, New York. This is the Underground, the best place for music that your friends don't know about. I'm your host, Jake the Human. Let's get things going with Bazooka Joe by Boiler. Hey man, what's wrong?
Somebody snagged my watch in the laundry room.
So what?
My underwear is missing. I have to go out and buy more underwear again.
Again?
Yeah, now I gotta go commando to the gym for another day. Unless you want me to borrow a pair of yours again.
What do you mean, again?
Don't be in underwear, Noam. Leave others' laundry alone. Be smart, shut your door, secure your property, and don't leave your laundry unattended. This public service announcement has been brought to you by University Police.
Welcome back, and welcome back the warm weather. Today is an awesome 70, and tomorrow looks like an even better 72. I can't wait to kick back on my porch and listen to my favorite bands. Speaking of favorite band, coming up is Demon Hunter. So stay right there at 93.9 The Quake.
What are you doing?
Capoeira. It's an Afro-Brazilian martial art.
What's with the music, though?
Oh, capoeira is performed with music. If you're interested, you need a gym membership, and classes are Friday from 7 to 9 p.m. in the aerobics room in Memorial Hall.
Oh, sweet. Friday 7 to 9 in the aerobics room in Memorial Hall? Cool. Can you show me the basics?
Sure.
Okay, before I get out of here, I gotta tell you guys this. Another kid got stuck in a claw machine. This time, in Fort Lauderdale, Florida, a little girl was handing out toys yet again. All I gotta say is, if I see a kid doing this, I am totally going to give that kid a high five. Well, that's been the Underground for you. I'll leave you with a song by a reuniting band, Five Iron Frenzy. I'm your host, Jake the Human. Keep listening for the weekly radio drama Starfellas, right here on 93.9 The Quake.
Welcome back to the next compelling chapter of Starfellas. After Henry and Tommy finished watching Star Wars Episode 6, which subsequently leads to Henry falling in love with the beautiful Princess Leia, the duo race off to Tatooine in their newly acquired spaceship that fell off the back of Polly's truck.
Well, here we are, Henry. I hope it's worth the 20 years we spent in this rust bucket getting here.
Shut the frig up, Tommy. This woman is the love of my life. Of course it's worth it.
What do you gotta eat in this rotten planet? I'm starving. I remember hearing something about a Pizza Hut or some crap.
Shut the frig up, Tommy. That's Jabba the Hutt, you jackhole. That's who you gotta help me free Leia from.
No problem, Brave.
Shut the frig up.
After several miles of walking and bickering, our two heroes come upon Jabba's palace, but are stopped by Gamorrean guards.
A few ugly pig-faced guards aren't enough to stop me from getting to Leia. Let's whack 'em, Tommy.
It'd be my pleasure.
Alright, Tommy, whacking all these pigs has got me primed up for some slug killing. Let's find my girl. Ah, look, there she is. Even more beautiful than on TV.
Yeah, if your TV has a 5 o'clock shadow. Oh well, let's take out that fat mother lover.
Save me.
She's mine, fatso. What?
Just save me already.
That's it. Whack him.
How will I ever repay you, brave one?
Oh, no problem, miss. Brave is my middle name.
I'm sorry. I meant your cute friend.
Yeah, shut the frig up, Tommy. She's talking to me. What do you say, princess? Want to come back to Earth with us? You'll always be safe around me.
Well, there's something you should know about me first.
What is Princess Leia's secret? Will Henry still love her the same? Will Tommy ever shut the frig up? To find out, tune in next week for a new edition of Starfellas.
the villain. The heroes saving the town.
We must help.
Oh no!
Thor! Leroy!
Bruce Lee.
Venus.
Zack, the Black Ranger.
Wonder Twins! Fight. Charge! Oh god! Stupid locals.
Hey, Janet,
Yes, Brad?
hold this. We need more help.
For the village.
For friends!
For family!
For honor.
Ready?
Let's do this! Leroy Jenkins!
Huh.
Have at thee! Ja! You can't beat Leroy Jenkins! Hi-ya! Oh my gosh, Wonder Twin powers activate!
I might need help.
Huh.
Ow. Gorilla break rock!